When choosing between Zoom's desktop application and web-based version, understanding their distinct advantages can help you optimize your video conferencing experience. The reality is that most users benefit from utilizing both platforms strategically, rather than just committing to one. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. So, should you be launching meetings from your desktop Zoom or your online version? You actually may want to use a bit of both. The desktop application excels in delivering the most up-to-date tools. Users gain immediate access to the latest features as soon as Zoom releases the updates, ensuring they stay current with new tools and improvements. The desktop is where you can download apps to use like the countdown timer or an AI note taker. And you also need to check the desktop version for system updates. However, it's on the web version where you can actually access the master settings to make any and all adjustments you want and need to set prior to the start of a meeting. I also prefer to launch from the browser web version so I can have easy access to these settings. Which version do you use more? Zoom desktop or online? Share in the comments, and if you need help with your virtual events, don't hesitate to reach out.